Welcome to Kunming Conveyor Belt, your ultimate destination for exceptional conveyor belt solutions. Since our establishment in 2007, we have been at the forefront of manufacturing, supplying, and exporting a wide range of PVC, polyurethane, polyethylene, TPEE, high-trell, and silicone conveyor belts, processing machines and accessories. Operating from our 20,000 square meter facility, equipped with advanced research and production lines, we ensure top-notch quality and reliability. Our commitment to excellence is validated by tests, inspections and certifications including ISO 9001, CE, FDA, SGS and more.